of it at the cafe. Let's see if I can get this sort of. Yeah, that'd be good.
You ever just kind of drive by slow and then it's showing on red that you got a new girl?
No, I don't want to do that to her. Oh.
On red wouldn't have took that first time out. Not very good. They flag.
Whoa, whoa, what?
You're looking away and I thought, you know what he's doing here?
Kind of get out here and play with the big boys when it's packed like this. Yeah, this is fine. Red was just so heavy that he would sink. Oh, yeah. Concrete or something down here. Oh, it used to be a road.
Ooh.
So bridge embankment or something. Huh.
Somebody's good in
It
this.
does not care. Gladiator passes the Little Sahara test. That's a little steep. So there's the kind of the crossover between main dunes and then that strip to South Camp.
Yeah.
Normally this has got a bunch of whoops in it to where you can't really travel it very fast, but it seems to be pretty smooth and packed down. This thing soaks it up really well with those King shocks.
What are the RPMs when this thing shifts?
About 5 grand. I mean, that's what it's doing. The factory in that off-road plus mode is saying that just keep the RPMs that it wants.
Yeah.
But you know, we're doing 50, 55 miles an hour. I mean, it feels like we're doing 80, but anyway. Dang, the drag strip is got a big old dip in it now. So that is South Camp and the south entrance and exit to the park.
This way?
Yeah, you see where the pole is there, and there's a light on the top of that at night.
Oh, okay.
That is the south entrance, and then you're basically at the farther southernmost part of the park right here. You were driving here in the red truck that time when that
Ooh.
That's, yep, that could have been bad if you don't watch what you're doing at the top. So somebody's rutted this up just doing hot laps on that bank.
Yeah.
So essentially, this is it. You can see the fence line here. And this is the southernmost point. So we've traveled from one end of the park to the other. And there's a lot of trails in this vegetation back here, which is cool. Cool for like ATVs and stuff.
Yeah.
If you have something small enough that can fit in them, or if you're just not worried about scratching your truck to death, you can go out here and play. Get to hit the flag over there. Kind of cheating going back as we can see our own tracks. ATV guys. Looks like it gets tight in there.
That's dedication.
To be out here on
32 degrees. Yep.
On an ATV. I mean, out of fairness, we spent a lot of time outside getting the hot water heater going in the RV. Somebody's sunblock. Yeah.
Some serious whoops.
I think this speed is a little not as smooth. Yeah, it gets a little snug right there. Oh, there's my tracks from before where we chose.
Oh, yeah.
I think we chose poorly.
Oh, yeah, we got it going on this time, though.
Yeah, that flag scares you when you hear that thing hit against something. and see what's on top. Well, that's steep. Not bad on this side, though.
No.
Better slow down. Alright. Get skinny.
Ooh.
Oh. Get out of this a little further. There we go. Hold on, flag. That'll work. Ooh, I had to turn too sharp. I could feel that U-joint sort of almost want to bind a little bit. I was like, yeah, it must be turned all the way to the lock. I am not a big fan of what that looks like, so we're going to make an adjustment. Right, where's our tracks? Did we run that? Do you think we stayed on that the whole time?
I don't know.
I just don't remember seeing the gas line stuff. Yep. Nope. Bouncy and thin.
Oh, yeah.
They're wider than us, I believe.
Yeah. Front one was, anyways.
Yeah, that thing was stretched out there. But I'm still not trying hard.
No.
We'll
like a wedge
cheat.
job.
We'll cheat it out a little bit. How about that? And go back into it. Because yeah, this is along the border the entire time. Oh, there's more stuff back in there. Trees. gonna make this right turn. Actually, this is when we were coming this way.
That was cool.
So what you just saw was what we call the perimeter run, and we drove the trails in the vegetation from Southgate all the way around the west edge of the park back to Northgate. So if you like trail riding or just wide open or dunes or climbing and drag racing, typically if there's a crowd, they sort of just make a makeshift drag race out there in the sand out of South Camp. There's something for everybody. And bring anything you want, as long as it has a flag that hits a 10-foot pipe as you come into the gate and it has a working tail light. It's pretty much legal to ride out here, so come out and see it.